This is my fourth year trading forex in Nigeria. I'm already profitable but still broke, and this is why.
Never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
What's up YouTube? What's up forex traders? Welcome to another day in the life of a forex trader who is trying to get funded from zero or from nothing to $10,000, and which is very possible. This is just like the day 4 of my journey trying to get funded from zero to $10,000 in capital. So if you have not watched the rest of the episode, you can just go to my channel and watch them so that you will be updated on where we are coming from. So this is a very beautiful Sunday morning, and I just say let me make a video sharp before I go analyze for the week and for the month, because this is the first week of this month. So I'll be analyzing for the whole month today, and I'll be analyzing for the whole week today, and by 5 a.m. tomorrow morning I'll be analyzing for the whole day tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video, because you're going to take away a lot of values from analysis. You guys know how it is. Just keep it clean and simple and honest with ourselves here. So I just let me just salute you guys before I go to my dashboard for the analysis. And first of all, happy Sunday to you guys. So in my last video I showed you guys of how I lost $5,000, and there was a mistake I made, which was over trading and revenge trading. So I want you guys to just take note of that, which is very bad for a trader. So in this video I'm going to be like try my best this week. I'm going to try my best to recover all those losses of $5,000, and then we'll see where we can go from there. Maybe by this month end we can get funded with at least, even if it's a 6k account. Then I'll also try my best to like build my portfolio this month, so that I'll start reaching out to potential investors that may want to assist us, because like the journey is so tough. Like starting from nothing, the journey is so tough. So I'll try my best to like build a very good portfolio this month, so that I can use the one of last month and this month to reach out to investors. And I'll also tell them to like give me their own evaluation to like try my hands on, to show them I can really trade. It's just that I am in a very tight corner right now. That is why I cannot raise my phone. And by the way, where I'm working is just hand to mouth, bro. To saving to get a funded account is something else, bro, because I'm just working hand to mouth right now. So that being said, make sure you stay tuned to the very end of this video, because I'll be showing you guys how you can analyze on any time frame, any profile, any time frame or any instrument. Like my strategy, I'm not like trying to be boastful right here. My strategy works on gold, works on commodity, cryptocurrency, forex pairs, indices. It works on everything. Very simple, and it's based on market structure and liquidity. And smart money POIs. So like in today analysis is for the whole month, for the whole week, and since it's for the whole month and the whole week, I'm going to do a breakdown for you guys. Definitely you're going to learn something. After now, I'll just put some things in order in the house, and then I will head straight to my screen, and then we'll do the analysis together. Believe me, you're going to learn a lot from this video. So make sure to subscribe, like and share, because it's not easy right here. I just want you guys to know that it's very possible to start from anywhere. I've been trading for like 4 years, and yet it's not that I'm not profitable, but I'm still broke. There are reasons to that. If you want to know most of the reasons, you can go watch my video on from riches to trenches. So guys, a quick update on the July competition. As for the July competition, you guys know I only qualify for qualify for the lottery winners, and out of the 50 people that we were selecting from 500 people, I was able to top 499. So I was not selected. That is just the fact. I was not selected. So I'll try my best this month to like get a very good high score, even if it's try my best to get at least 50% return on my investment. Maybe we can just get a 5k account. I've already started trading that one of August competition. So let's see how it's gonna go this month. If we are able to get funded from there, thank God. But if we are not able to get funded, We'll try our best to reach out to investors that want to assist us to just boost our business. Like this is like starting from $0 to $10,000, and you don't expect it to be easy, guys. It's not going to be easy. Just try to source fund from anywhere as possible. Like, even if, like, maybe by God grace I'll try my best to like try, because like the work I'm doing right now is not, bro, it's not it's just living hand to mouth, to be honest with you guys. Just keeping everything honest, just living hand to mouth, saving as a, like, bro, I don't even know how I'm going to explain these things. There are some things I'm not supposed to say on YouTube, but guy, the reason why I'm just trying my best, I'm just saying it, is because there are still thousands of people who are watching my videos that are still passing through the same thing that I'm passing through. Some of them are profitable but no capital to trade. The job they are doing, they can't even save to trade. Why some are not profitable? Why some have the fund but they don't even know how to trade? So that is it. So you just have to just put yourself out there and source for capital anywhere, anyhow. So the first source of my capital now is going to be from funding a challenge. And the second source is going to be like reaching out to investors that want to assist us. And any investors I'm going to be approaching, I'm approaching them with just a $35 investment to get a profile account. So any investors I'm going to approach right now is not to approach them for $1,000, $10,000 on like, no. I'm going to approach them to just invest $35 into my life, and then we'll see how we're going to go from there. So guys, I'm actually not in the house right now. I went to the market to carry something, like my boss shop, to carry something. So when I'm back, we'll see how we can just analyze the chart together and see what is going to give us from the market this week. So guys, stay tuned to the end of this video, guys. It's not funny out here. It's not funny. It's not funny, but it's going to be easy by God's grace. I don't want to start vomiting negativity upon myself this early morning. So let's just keep it as simple as possible and as clean as possible, and as well as positive as possible. So if you believe the journey is going to be very possible, growing from nothing to $10,000, just make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'll be updating you guys every bit of it. See you on my screen for the analysis, and bye for now. Very good. So welcome to my screen, guys. So I'm back home and I'm about to do analysis for the whole month today, because we're at the beginning of the month, for the whole month. And since today is Sunday, we're also going to be doing analysis for the whole week. So, and every day by 5 a.m. I also do analysis for that specific on day. So I'm going to be doing a top down analysis from the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, and then by tomorrow 5 a.m. we do analysis for Monday. Every week analysis for the day is always 5 a.m. So in today's video, if you want to start doing your analysis as a forex trader, if you want to keep everything as simple as possible, the first thing you're going to be doing is to look for only two things in the forex market. The first one is a change of character, and the second one is a break of structure. So this is one of the two things you should be looking for. If you don't know what is change of character is, or a break of structure is, as a forex trader, my bro, you still have a very long way to go as a forex trader. So let me just show you guys. So this is the monthly time frame. You can see there is no indicator, there is no line. I'm just doing this analysis fresh hand so that you guys can see that analysis is not as hard as people think it is. What is most one thing you need to concentrate on is to keep everything as simple as possible, and know what to do, know the rules that need to be put in place for you to do analysis. So sorry guys. So as you can see right here, what can we see on the monthly time frame? What can we see on the monthly time frame? Now remember, you are looking for only two things: a change of character or a break of structure. So on the monthly time frame, we are seeing right here a break of structure to the upside. You can see right there, this is the highest point price has gone to on the monthly time frame, and since price has broken that place to the upside, it becomes a break of structure. So we are going to mark that break of structure right here. So we have marked that break of structure. So now what is the low of this recent break of structure? This, as you guys can see right here, there is This is what causes the break of structure, the this high to happen. So the lowest point of this break of structure of this high right here is this demand zone right here. So you're going to mark the low of this demand zone. You're going to mark the low of this demand zone. So sorry guys. So what you're going to be looking for right now on this chart is to, what you're going to be doing is to go to the daily time frame, which is the rule of 30. Go to the daily time frame and then look for either look for this one thing, a breaker block that has a breaker block. Let's take everything simple. easy. So we're going to be looking for a breaker block. So let's go to the 1 hour time, the daily time frame, which is the rule of 30 for the monthly time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame. So right now we are now on the daily time frame. We are now on the daily time frame. Let me keep this thing more thick so that you can be seeing the whole sheet. We are now on the daily time frame. So now this is the highest point we marked on the monthly time frame, and this is the lowest point we mark on the monthly time frame. Now where do we have business? We only have business from this low right here to where price sweep the high. So what are we going to be looking for at this impulse move to the upside? We are looking for a breaker block. Now as you guys can see, there is no breaker block around here apart from this last change of character, which is also a breaker block. Last change of character will have a liquidity sweep right here, then we'll have a change of character to the upside around this point. But the problem is that this breaker block or this change of character right here change character with trend, and when price change character with trend, you need to refine it to give you an appropriate trading position or trading area or premium or discount zone. So since this thing change character on this other block right here present a change of character with trend, we are going to go to the weekly time frame, which is the rule of 6 major. We have the rule of 6 minor, the rule of 6 major. So this is which is the rule of 6 major. So as we're going to go to the weekly time frame to look for a POI whereby we can look for a buy from. So if we go to the weekly time frame, you can see clearly that there is an imbalance right here. An imbalance. We have like 4 or 5 smart money POIs. Imbalance is one of the most powerful POI you can ever think of. So we have an imbalance on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame right here. On the weekly time frame. So now we're going to refine that weekly time frame to 1 hour. I'm sorry, to the daily time frame. The daily time frame. So now if you find the weekly POI, which is this imbalance, now to this on the most recent daily POI is this demand zone right here, which is an inside bar and this demand zone. So we're going to mark this place as our monthly POI where we are looking for a buy setup from. So this white line right here is where we are looking for a buy from on the monthly time frame. We're not just going to like blindly look for a buy at that zone. We are going to wait for other confirmations. So we have we have already seen a buying point on the monthly time frame, so we are going to label it monthly POI. Let's just label it monthly POI. M1 POI, M1 PO, M1 breakout structure, boss breakout structure, then D1, then D1, breakout block. Okay, so that is it for the monthly time frame. Now we are done with the monthly time frame. As for the monthly time frame, we are looking for only buys, and we're not going to do anything on the monthly time frame until price get to this white line, before we start looking for a change of character on the minor and all the major entry criteria to move price higher. So that is it for the monthly time frame, and that doesn't mean when price come here is going to bounce off. We are going to react to whatever the price is going to do at this point. If price come here and start dropping down, we are going to leave the market to do its thing. Then we do another analysis again to confirm our entry, our setup and entry. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to go to the weekly time frame to look for a setup, or to see what the weekly time frame is also doing. Now remember, we are done with the monthly time frame. So if we go to the weekly time frame, what is these two things that we are looking for? We are looking for either a change of character or a break of structure, So if you look carefully at this point right here, there is an imbalance. If you look carefully between this candle and this other red candle, there is an imbalance between them. So that imbalance was broken. By this second red candle. So the imbalance was broken by the second red candle. So that is a change of character to the downside. Price was going up, broke through an imbalance to the downside. That is a change of character to the downside. So now where do we think price is going to react from on the monthly time frame? Since price change character with a single candle is going to react from this liquidity at this top right here, this liquidity slant right here, it's going to react from here. So it's going to react from here. So what we're going to be doing is to mark that zone and wait for price to come to that place, and then when it start reacting, when it wants to react, then we'll see what we can do from there. So now we've gotten a weekly POI where price will want to react from, which is this divergence POI. Now we're going to refine it to the daily time frame. Sorry. So we're going to refine it to the daily time frame. Then from the daily time frame, we refine it to the 4-hour time frame, which is the daily time frame is the rule of 6 minor. The rule of 6 minor for the weekly, and while the 4-hour time frame is the rule of 30 minor for weekly. So what can we see right here? Price is at a swing high right here. Price is at a swing high right here. So if we refine it to the 4-hour time frame, there is an imbalance above the swing high. There is an imbalance above the swing high. So now we've gotten where the weekly we likely want to react from. So now what are we waiting for? We're waiting for now a change of character on the 4-hour time frame for it to push price lower to this point right here. So now price is now at a weekly POI, weekly zone. Now price is not supposed necessary to be a zone, is not necessarily supposed to be a straight line. I'm just doing it for educational purposes only. So it's not supposed to be a wide thing, but I don't want to keep my chart messy. That's why I'm just using straight lines. So now you guys can see right here, we've gotten a change of character to the downside right here on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, so we've gotten a change of character to the downside. Price swiftly, price tap into our weekly zone. Price tap into our weekly zone right here. Give liquidity sweep right here, and then a change of character to the downside with an impulsive move. Then impulsive move to the downside. So what are we looking for right now? We're looking for a sell from this this supply zone right here. So if price tap back into the supply zone, I'm going to be looking for a sell from this supply zone right here. So what I'm waiting for patiently is for price to retrace back to that top on the 4 hour time frame. Then look for a change of character on the 5 minutes time frame again. I'm looking for a lot of confirmation before I take my trade. That's why you can see that most of my trade has a very big high risk to reward. So what I'm looking for right now on the weekly time frame is for price to tap into this place and then drop drastically to move us to this monthly POI. So that is what I'm looking for on the weekly time frame. So as for the daily time frame, I'm not going to do any analysis until tomorrow 5 a.m. So as for the weekly time frame, we are looking for a sell down to where we are going to be buying from on the monthly time frame. So let me look for my tool so that I can mark the weekly time frame as well. Let me just give it, let me mark the place. So guys, this is a weekly change of character. This line right here is where the weekly changes character, and then price gave us a 4 hour imbalance right there where price want to react from. So price actually changed character on the 4 hour time frame. We at a weekly zone. So what I'm looking for right now is for price to tap back into this POI right here, or this supply zone, for me to push price to this downside. So that's what I'm looking for today. So for the whole week, I'm looking for a sell. If price happens to tap into this place, I'm looking for a sell. So for the whole week on gold, I'm looking for a sell to the downside. That doesn't mean it's going to sell, but that is my anticipation from my own analysis. You can do your analysis and then just do your thing. That is Forex for you. So as for the daily time frame analysis, I'm going to be doing that by 7 a.m. tomorrow, because we are still on Sundays. On Sunday, we cannot do an analysis for Monday on Sunday. So we have to wait for the daily to be confirmed before we do analysis for the daily time frame. So see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna see how price is gonna go. Ensure to subscribe to the channel, and then make sure you share this video with as many who are still struggling to become profitable as a forex trader. They have one or two that may want to learn. You can just learn them from here. You can go to my old videos. I gave a lot of free values on some of my old videos, and you'll learn what the change of character is, some of the basic things you need as a forex trader. I discuss all of them on my old videos. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And this is officially the episode 4 of trying to grow from nothing to $10,000. So you can go and watch other of my videos, because this is my 4th year as a forex trader, and I'm already profitable but still broke. There are reasons to that, and some of them I've discussed them in my former videos, and I'll be doing the detailed videos on it in the future, maybe next week or so. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, share with as many who are struggling in forex trading. They can be part of the journey, because it's very possible. We're going to get there soon. It's already certain. So make sure to subscribe to the channel once again, and then bye for now.
told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.